Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about text formatting elements of HTML. In a previous video, already we have learned some different text formatting elements. But in this video, we are going to learn about BDO and BDI text formatting elements of HTML. First, we will start with a BDO text formatting element. BDO is a bidirectional override. BDO tag is used to specify the direction that the text is displayed. This tag overrides the current direction of a text. Mostly, this tag is used in Arabic or other languages that use the right to left pattern to right. You can write text whether from right to left or else left to right using dir attribute of a BDO tag. This BDO tag contains some different type of attributes. First, main attribute is a dir attribute. This dir attribute uses two values, that is the RTL and LTR. RTL is a right to left. If you want to write any text from right to left, then this RTL attribute you need to write for a dir attribute. Then LTR means left to right. If you want to write text from left to right, or else if you want to change the direction of a text from left to right, this value you need to write with a dir attribute. Next one, ID attribute. When I will explain a CSS3, then you will be able to understand this ID and style tag. Next one, language. If you want to write language code, that you can write here in a language attribute. Next, here you need to write the advisory text for this BDO tag. Next, formatted element is a BDI. BDI is a bidirectional isolation. If you want to display any text on your web page, then if you don't know the direction of that text, then you can use this BDI. Let's learn all these formatting elements in a program. You will be able to understand how these BDO and BDI tags will be used. Let's learn BDO and BDI tags practically. Here already some of the tags already I have written here. These are the default tags which you need to use or else declare in every program. So I have already written and kept here. So whatever content you want to display in a web page, that you need to write between these body open tag and closing tag. This BDO and BDI tags I am going to declare inside the body tag. First we will start with the BDO tag. So here is what BDO, and here only I am closing this BDO tag. And whatever content I want to write, that I will write between this BDO open tag and closing tag. I am keeping cursor at the middle. And some text I have kept here. This is the Arabic or else I don't know whether it is a Urdu. And I don't know whether this text is in a proper format or proper direction or what. So here this text direction I am going to change here. How will you change? You need to write the dir attribute, and two values you will get for a dir attribute. If you want to display the text from right to left, then RTL you need to write. Okay, this text I want to write right to left here. And one more word I will add, English word I will add here. You will be able to understand element I will write here. So you can be able to understand whether these words are changing or not as per this direction. Okay, this text has to be changed from right to left now. Now I'm going to save this program and I will run here, launch in Chrome. So here we can see text direction is changing, ELEM. So from right to left it is changing. But I don't know whether this Arabic or else Urdu word is changing from right to left or what. Because always Arabic will start from right to left. But this word I can't read, so I can't able to understand whether this word is in a proper direction or not. So if you don't know the direction, proper direction of the words, then that time you can use BDI. So here I am going to change close the BDI tag, and the same text I'm going to paste here. Both English and Arabic, both words I will paste here. Okay. Then here what will happen? If you have written any direction, wrong direction, if you don't know the direction of a proper language, then that time you can write that words in a BDI. Automatically computer will understand in what format if you have written, or else direction you have written for that word is in a proper direction or not. Next I am going to save this, and here I am going to write. Here I will use the break first. Refresh it. Here you can see, means direction of the word was correct. So whenever I write this text format in a BDI, automatically it will change it to proper format. Here you can see. Now this is the proper format. Whoever understands this Arabic or else Urdu word, they can read this in a proper way. And this element text is an English word. So always English has to be written from left to right. So this word is displaying as it is. So computer is understanding this word is English. So this word has to be displayed from right to left. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment box. Definitely I will try to resolve your doubts.